my name is Mrs. Lubreski.
And I'm Mrs. Matthews.
Welcome to our Foundations Letter Sounds Drill Practice. The alphabet is full of consonants and vowels. We read them, we write them. Each letter makes a sound. We start with A, B, C. We go all the way to Z. This is what we practice each day in kindergarten. If you're ready, give me a thumbs up. A, apple, act.
A, apple, act.
B, bat, b.
B, bat, b.
C, cat, k.
C, cat, k.
D, dog, d.
D, dog, d.
E, ed, e.
E, ed, e.
F, fun,
F, fun.
G, game, g.
G, game, g.
H, hat,
H, hat.
I, itch, it.
I, itch, it.
J, jug, ch.
J, jug, j.
K, kite, k.
K, kite.
L, lamp, l.
L, lamp.
M, man, m.
M, man.
N, nut, n.
N, nut.
O, octopus, up.
O, octopus.
P, pan,
P, pan.
Q, queen, qu.
Q, queen.
R, rat, r.
R, rat.
S, snake, s.
S, snake.
T, top, t.
T, top.
U, up,
U, up,
V, van, v.
V, van.
W, wind,
W, wind.
X, fox, x.
X, fox.
Y, yellow, y.
Y, yellow.
Z, zebra, z.
Z, zebra.
And now extra practice with those hard-working vowels. A, apple.
A, apple.
E, ed.
E, ed.
I, itch.
I, itch.
O, octopus.
O, octopus.
U, up.
U, up.
It's very important to practice clipping the sounds. Thank you for watching.
Thank you.